My name is Osman Rana. My IT background consists of 6 years of hands-on and practical experience in IT industry. Besides that, I had my bachelor's in commerce as formal part of my education. Currently, I do have my MCSE 2012 certification, my VCP 5.5 DCV certification, and the CCA Virtualization certification. I heard about NetSoft through some of my friends who had previously taken trainings with NetSoft. Currently, up till now, I have taken 10 courses. Those courses were part of the Infrastructure Analyst Diploma. It took us almost a year to get here. Well, the quality of training is, I would say, it's exceptional, just because in our class we had people from all walks of all kind of backgrounds, all kind of ages, all kind of previous experiences. We had IT people like myself and some of the people who were changing their career. And throughout the year, I was able to see that all those different people from different backgrounds, they were able to come to a certain level of expertise in IT and in the courses that we took here. And personally, I think that is a big achievement as far as the training and the trainers at NetSoft goes. They know what they're doing and they're pretty good at it. I would say is the number of hours that NetSoft puts into the trainings, and the kind of commitment that NetSoft shows towards its students. They will lead you, they will show you the path and then help you in every possible way to travel on that path. Whereas the other schools, you get some knowledge, and if you get it, very good. If you don't get it, it's kind of, you have to work on your own. But I find that NetSoft has a very, very efficient and effective support group structure. So even if somebody is kind of lagging behind, he won't be left alone. He will be given that support that is needed to catch up. Talking about the trainers, one of the big things is this commitment that is kind of the culture here at NetSoft. They do not leave you behind, and that goes for all the trainers. The trainers do put in extra efforts, extra time, and they make sure that you're comfortable with the course or training that you are taking. The trainings, they are very intense. It is not, we don't just skim on the top, just swim on the surface. At NetSoft, we have to kind of dive deep into the subject and work very hard on it. The trainers, they will kind of challenge us during class hours and for our home assignments. They will give us so much work that we have to, in our circumstances, do our best to meet those. And I think that teaches us the value of hard work and how to adjust your lifestyle with demanding circumstances. The benefits of being here at NetSoft is you will become what you wish for. You will get the best trainings. You will have the in-depth knowledge of the subject matter. Along with that, you'll also develop your personality. You will get to know this culture of honesty and hard work that goes around here, that will get instilled in you. So these are some of the things beside the course materials that you can achieve. The cons would be you will have to make sure that you have enough time to be away from your family, so that it will take a toll on your family life, because you won't be able to spend all that time with family and friends. I've seen and met a lot of people who are doing quite well, and in their day they took the initiative and they did do their hard work. So with this mutual cooperation, they were able to have a successful IT career right now. On average, I would say you need to have anywhere between 25 to 35 hours per week. At least that was the time that I tried to spend during the duration of our course. So besides the class hours, I would spend like 25 to 35 hours a week, and if we add the class timings, then we are looking at a good 40 to 45 hours a week that I was committing to the studies in class or at home. There is very comprehensive. Actually, there's a full course that we were given to prepare us for the job market, and for us to prepare the resumes, and to be prepared for the interviews and the interviewing skills, how to dress. So it's not just that NetSoft supports you in all those preparations. There's actually a full course, and it's a 6-week course. It's an intense course, so you have to bring your best game to it as well. So yes, you are provided that support for the job hunting and interview prep too. Well, it's really hard to pinpoint one topic or subject that I'm proud of, but I can certainly say that I'm proud that I spent the time at this institute, and I can definitely say it has made me a more accomplished IT professional as far as the technologies go. And I would say that as a person, I'm better off now than before. I liked and enjoyed the VMware course much more than the other courses. I would recommend NetSoft to my family and friends just because I've seen the workings of this institute, and I've seen the commitment that they have towards you. I would say the earlier the better. You have to start at some point. I think this is the best time. This is the best time to start investing in you, start growing yourself, and I think NetSoft is the best place because you will get all the support that you need to take these big steps in your life, such as career change or learning new things or spending time on your education. You do need a lot of support, and I'm pretty sure that you'll have a good support circle at NetSoft that will help you to go and get your dreams, to reach that dream job.